Zhuhai and Macau, side by side, a bustling gateway, day and night, connecting cities, and that's just right. Through Gongbei's gates, they come and go, an underground where businesses grow. From Zhuhai shops to Macau's embrace, travelers and shoppers in this vibrant space. Through Gongbei's gates, they come and go, an underground where businesses grow. From Zhuhai shops to Macau's embrace, travelers and shoppers in this vibrant space. Shoppers looking for just the right brand, travelers cross to a neighboring land. Customs clear and all is right, aren't those ceiling lights bright? Through Gongbei's gates they come and go, an underground where businesses grow. From Zhuhai shops to Macau's embrace, travelers and shoppers in this vibrant space. Worlds collide, Zhuhai and Macau, side by side, a bustling gateway, day and night, connecting cities, and that's just right. Through Gongbei's gates they come and go, an underground where businesses grow. From Zhuhai shops to Macau's embrace, travelers and shoppers in this vibrant space. Through Gongbei's gates they come and go, an underground where businesses grow. From Zhuhai shops to Macau's embrace, travelers and shoppers in this vibrant space. Shoppers looking for just the right brand, travelers cross to a neighboring land. Customs clear and all is right, aren't those ceiling lights bright?
Okay, this right here is the Gongbei shopping arcade area. So you can see all kinds of shopping and food and kind of everything you could possibly imagine in this area. You could even change money here, so they're making a deal right there for good exchange rate. That goes all the way to Macau, so let me take a look here. So you can see it says immigration hall right there, so that goes all the way to Macau. So, okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to show you what the arcade looks like downstairs, and we're in Zhuhai, we're in Gongbei. And then this is the immigration straight up that way. But we're gonna walk around inside and show you what it looks like inside. Port Plaza, it's called. Port Authority Zhuhai. This is right in Gongbei. It's where Macau connects with Zhuhai. So as soon as you cross under, there's all the shopping cross under from Macau into Zhuhai, and you get all this. So that's what this is all about. The music reflects that. I'll put the lyrics behind me so you can hear and see what that said, read what it said. And then you can also see exactly where we are, because I'll put it up on the map. And let's just get into it, and now I'm gonna walk around with the camera and you can hear me walk and talk. So yeah, right next to Macau, Zhuhai, Gongbei border. Let's go check it out. So Port Plaza in Zhuhai. This is this one big giant shopping arcade. There's actually shopping all the way down that way, and there's also a ton of restaurants everywhere as well. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in towards the restaurants first. Gonna get sugarcane there. So yeah, kind of cool. Noodle shops, braised. I wanted to get this one earlier, but still might. And we're gonna walk in here, and then yeah, you can see all these food places. Tons of really good prices for food. I think I'm gonna get something myself. We're gonna kind of meander around in here and show you what it looks like. Noodles. So I'm gonna actually get something over here. I'll show you what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna go to this restaurant, right? Is it this one? No, it's down. That one. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna get. And then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna get. I'll show you the price, and then I will walk around in the shopping area. I think this is the one I'm gonna get. Yeah, right there. So I'll come back to it. Actually, you know what? The shopping area is right in here, so we're gonna walk into that a little bit. There's even some kind of cool stuff like this too. Kind of hot style. Let's see. So pretty cool. That goes back to the Macau lobby right there. Clothing options. Kevin and Amy. Okay. No photos. Just saw a sign that said no photos, so I'm gonna go here in a minute. I'm gonna get little skewers, meat skewers. Yeah, really good meat skewers there. Okay. Just kind of got a little dumpling shop right there. Okay. So what we're gonna do, I kind of want to go into one of these little mall areas, clothing area. But I want one to be busy. I want it to have people. Not all of them are busy, so just kind of depends. Okay, so what we're gonna do is take a right, because I know that that one is busy because this is where the port is at. That's the one that we kind of started at. We went around to the kind of the food area part. Now we're gonna walk into this area, and you'll see a lot more shopping. Look how import goods. Let me see. There's taxi stands. So if you go down that way, right there, it goes down to the taxi stand. And you kind of got shopping kind of everywhere in here. Could go down that way. Could go down that way. Could go down that way. Let's just go down this way. It's kind of unlimited, all the different directions you can go. This market's so big that I've been here. You come here every time you transfer from Macau into Zhuhai, and when you come back, go back to Macau as well. And it's just so big that I still don't have any good idea of what it is like exactly. Like, it's a little bit hard to navigate. But you can find everything in here. Sunglasses right there, small bags, all kinds of clothing. Okay. I don't know which way to go. And you got some exits onto the main roads as well. And I think we're going to come out towards the road right there. And it looks like some of them are starting to close already. So I hear some gates coming down. It's about 10 o'clock at night. So at this time you'll start hearing more of the gates will close and these shops will start to go out of business a little bit. Huh. Okay. So anyways, you got a little taste of this. And I'm gonna pause the action, do a little shopping myself. Yeah, I think they're starting to close slightly. Just beginning. It's about 10, maybe a little bit before, and they'll probably start to close around 10. Okay. So this is a Gongbei shopping port, Gongbei port, with all the shopping arcades. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna navigate a little bit further. And since I'm here, I might as well film. So I was able to get some stuff from my phone. Shopping mall areas. Lots of different arcade stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you more. And then I'm going to go get some skewers and I'll show you that. Lots of nice clothing here. Huh. Those are kind of cool for a woman. Maybe they have some interesting clothes for men too. Nice designs. So we're going to just go straight up into that food court area. Yeah, it's kind of having this closing, kind of quieter closing feel now, which happens about this time, 10 o'clock. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna come around. Even they're starting to close up as well. Some of the food street area. And I'm gonna come in here. Ooh, I hope this isn't closing. It looks like it's closing. No. It is closing. I think it's closing. Let me ask. Yeah, it's closing. Closed? So yeah, it's called Howling Beef Noodles. So I was gonna order something there, but it's already closed. So it's 10 o'clock and you can't get it anymore. Yeah, that one right there would have been a good restaurant, but it's just closing. We've got a guy watching me there. But there's also other places too. There's another one that's over on the corner as well. That also has beef and noodles as well. So we're gonna go around to that corner this way. And I'm gonna try to get those noodles there, and then we're gonna leave and we're gonna exit the city. Go back to Macau. So this one right here has beef noodles. And then when we leave, we're gonna come out this way. Oh, I might be able to get something here. Let's see. This is the one oh no, this is the one I was thinking of. It's also closing. I was gonna try to get this braised beef noodles. Okay. So we're gonna head on out in a few minutes. We'll choose something and show you what it is, and then we'll head on out. Okay, so this is the end of they yelled. I guess they saw. I don't know what they saw. They were yelling, but this is the Port Plaza. So this was all underground shopping all the way there, and you can see the buildings all the way in the distance as well. And then this is also a border gate where everybody comes out of Macau and into Zhuhai. So there's tons of people coming across the border right now. The border closes in about 45 minutes. sites of shopping and right next to the border. Okay, so now we're on the Macau side. So right on the other side, that's a old border gate right there. So now we're on the Macau side. So yeah, we just crossed the border, and that little shopping area was just not even, I don't know, 7-8 minutes behind us of a walk. Not even a half a kilometer, not even a quarter of a kilometer. And anyways, now we're coming into Macau, and we're gonna end the video. So that was Gongbei border gate. So that's the border gate right there. So you can see some Zhuhai stuff way over on the other side. Some of those neon signs up there in the distance. And then now we're right in this little pocket of pedestrian traffic going to Zhuhai. It closes, the border closes at midnight, I just read. But then that little area that we were in closes around 11. Well, 10, 11. But yeah, this is lively over here though, as usual. All right.